This forgotten arcade machine hasn't worked in decades. The outdated electronics have reached the end of their life.
A strong restoration always begins with a clean foundation. The damaged foundation is rebuilt with precision. A perfect finish starts with the perfect preparation.
A new design brings personality back to this machine. Every detail is polished to perfection. Modern lighting gives this classic machine a new identity. The old display is replaced with a powerful modern upgrade.
Behind the scenes, a complete electronic transformation is taking place.
Advanced cooling keeps this masterpiece running smoothly.
The controls are upgraded for the ultimate arcade experience.
Every button is rebuilt for precision and style.
Every component is now working together as one machine.
From broken and forgotten to a true gaming masterpiece. A forgotten machine becomes the center of entertainment again. The restored machine is ready for a new generation of gamers. A forgotten machine becomes the center of entertainment again.